guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got out of bed and today's video is going to be all about what I eat in a day preparing for summer. So I just took my last final last night. So it is summer for me. I am done with the semester and I am ready to work on that summer bod. So usually I've been liking my morning workout sessions, but I'm actually really hungry because I did a little bit of a fast last night, so I may get something to eat and then go to the gym. But if you guys are interested in what I eat in a day to prepare for a summer body, then please just keep on watching. So I bought this new jewelry organizer from Amazon Prime, and this was my current jewelry situation. Like, I just never had a good organizer, so I'm excited to get that out at some point today and organize all that stuff. I'm excited, but not really, because look at that. Alright, so I just wanted to mention one thing, because I want to be as real with you as possible, because I want you guys to be as inspired and just feel like you can have a place to come with my channel. And if you guys ever had any questions, I just want to let you know that honestly, you can ask me anything. Like on my social media channels, I always answer. So please never hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about like your own lifestyle or something. And sorry, no makeup on today. Sorry. Okay, if I can recommend one thing, it is drinking water before breakfast. It is so important to get your body and your digestive system moving. So you can either have warm water with lemon or just a glass of water, and that will be super helpful. You may know I live for poached eggs and sausage, so that is pretty much always my breakfast. I really never steer away from eggs and sausage and maybe some fruit, but yep, I'm kind of boring, but that's gonna be my breakfast. Okay, this is what I'm eating for breakfast. I have my sausage, eggs, and then blueberries because they are a great source of antioxidants. So I will be eating that for breakfast, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright, so since I'm still in the kitchen, I figured I would just prep my lunch because it's so much easier whenever I'm not hungry to prep a good lunch, so then I can just pull it out of the fridge and eat it when I'm hungry. Guys, okay, so it is 11:25 now and I just got ready to go to the gym. I put on my workout clothes and now I'm ready to get a sweat session on. I don't think I'm going to record at the gym just because it's midday and it gets really busy at the gym that I go to, so bear with me on that, but I will talk to you guys when I have a snack before I go to the gym. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to the gym right now, but I wanted to tell you guys what I was eating for a snack. It's mid-morning, I'm about to go to the gym, and I just keep these almonds. They are just oven roasted, unsalted, and they are really good just for a snack. So I'm gonna snack on these on the way to the gym, and I still have some coffee, so I'm gonna use that as a pre-workout and then get to the gym. Oh, I had a question for you guys. So I am like on the verge of getting those Apple AirPods thingy-majigs, whatever they're called, but they're like the wireless headset from Apple, and I really love Apple and I like, you know, staying loyal to them, but I don't know if I can bring myself to buy $170 headphones if, like, I don't know, I've been reading reviews and watching YouTube videos and everybody says they're great, but honestly they don't really do much, and I really want a pair of wireless headphones. So let me know in the comments if you guys use the AirPods or if you have another recommendation, because I really need wireless headphones. Like, I am still using the traditional iPhone headphones that you get whenever you get a new iPhone, you know? So yeah, I need an upgrade, so let me know down below. Alright, hey guys, so I'm just getting in the car after my workout, and I had a really good session. So I started off with 20 minutes of a HIIT workout and target toning, so I really enjoyed that. And then I just went on the elliptical for 15 minutes, and then I hopped on the treadmill and did some incline for 10. So I had some good cardio in there, but honestly, since like I base my diet off of low carb, I'm gonna be honest, you really don't have to work out, because getting abs and getting toned is all in the kitchen. I'm sure you've heard that before, but honestly, like, if you're following a low carb diet, you don't even have to go to the gym really, because it just speaks for itself. It does its own thing. So I don't have to feel bad if I don't go to the gym. I love going to the gym because it's my happy place, so I enjoy it all the time. But yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay, this is my current jewelry situation. I struggled to untangle all of those. It was awful. But now I'm just gonna hang that jewelry organizer over here, and then I'll get back with you guys in a bit when I eat lunch. Okay, so now I am just gonna eat my salad with tuna and then some veggies, and then put some ranch on top of it, and that's gonna be my lunch. Hey guys, so it is now 5:08 and I'm about to prep for dinner, but since I had a late lunch, I am just gonna be having a mid-afternoon snack. And honestly, from when I had lunch to now, I've been editing a YouTube video, publishing a blog post, and then working more on my Pinterest traffic for my blog. So I've been super busy, but now I'm just gonna snack on an apple, and then probably about in an hour I will cook dinner. So I will talk to you guys then. Okay, so for dinner, I am going to have some cucumbers that I cut up earlier, and I just cut up this chicken, but I end up putting the chicken on the lettuce, and it makes for a little lettuce wrap. And then I add the sesame oil on the teriyaki sauce, and it's really good on the chicken with the crunchy lettuce. It is so good. So I will show you the finished product when I'm done. Okay, this is what I came up with for dinner, and it looks so amazing. I just have cucumbers with Italian dressing, and then my lettuce wraps with teriyaki chicken, and I hate when the chicken is dry, so those spices were amazing for it, and I'm really excited to eat this. So yeah. Alright, hey guys, so it is now 8:26, and I'm about to have my little Atkins milk chocolate caramel square, and I just like this for dessert. It's only one net carb, so that's always a good thing. But I wanted to just sign off and tell you guys thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope it gave you an insight on how I kind of keep my diet low carb, and I really hope it inspired and helped you. And with that being said, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you hit the subscribe button because you will see me every Friday. And with that, I will see you next Friday. Bye!